Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around an install that we've just carried out to a Mercedes E63, a phenomenal bit of kit. And what we've upgraded with is a front and rear dash camera solution, but it's a 4K image quality dash cam that also records while the vehicle's parked. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with future videos. Today's video, all we're talking about is the upgrade that we've carried out to the car. What we've gone for is a Thinkware U1000 Dash Cam that is a 2-channel version, so it's front and rear, plus we've also got something called an I-volt battery, which we'll be talking you through it later on in the video. In terms of we're starting at the front, basically everything's hardwired in, gone into given point, into fuse box location, plus also it's all done in a very discreet way. Basically the U1000 dash cam is hidden away behind the mirror. You really can't really see it when you're sitting in the driver's seat. Very discreet install. Cables go upwards, then across the headlining, over, across, down to the back of the vehicle where it goes into the fuse box where the battery is located right in the boot. We've also got a rear camera mounted on the rear window as well, which is really nice, all very discreet. The rear camera is very small. The reason for that is it's just a video image that basically relays onto the brain of the system, which is the U1000 at the front. And then we've got the I-volt battery, which actually provides all the power. So as you're driving along, it basically powers up that I-volt battery. That I-volt battery then discharges that power when you are parked. So there's zero draw on your vehicle's battery, guys. And that is the way, if you want parking mode, that it should be done. You need one of these battery solutions. You shouldn't be using it just running in parking mode without a battery, because there is a physical draw above and beyond what your manufacturer is expecting for a draw on your battery. It's very important that this is done in a certain way. Obviously, you want your install to be done by a professional, and that's why this customer's travelled over to us here in Cambridge to have his installation carried out. If you are interested in something similar, get in touch with us, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms, and we'll go from there. We'll drop you a quote with all of the different options that we offer, whether this solution or something new that's come out or something lower spec as well. We can do all sorts of different options, so we can send that all over to you. But just a video, just wanted to show you guys the install, the finished product, what you guys are going to see on the E63. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.